Hello, my name is Kai Ziegler. I am head of engineering compressors of MAN Diesel and Turbo in Oberhausen, Germany. And today, on 17th of July 2013, MAX1 will be started for the first time as a full-size, true-scale customer machine. And what you can see over there is an AR 105. The first of 4 main air compressors for the project New Yangra, the launch project together with Air Products USA. And in approximately half an hour this machine will be started for the first time. Thank you.
The AR MAX1 is tested in MDT's Oberhausen test center, driven by an electric motor with a gearbox in between. The test setup includes the original intercooler and interconnecting piping between intercooler and MAC. The test arrangement and the installed instrumentation ensure highly reliable test results of this serial #1 compressor. After the extensive search tests of the MAX1 prototype test compressor, this first large-scale main air compressor 2 undergoes intensive tests regarding surge robustness. Further surge tests will be conducted later on site. During the tests, all measured thermodynamical and mechanical data is being monitored and evaluated in the control room. The compressor is currently running in safe distance to the surge line. The stresses in each individual rotor blade during surge are measured continuously and in detail by a tip timing system. These measurements, prepared and performed by MTU aero engines, can prove the surge robustness of the blading and ensure safe operation at any time. Now preparations will be started to surge the AR MAX1. The compressor is throttled slowly to the surge line. For conventional axial flow compressors, surge can be dangerous. The surge measurement has been taken. The data confirms that the MAX1 blading, also in the full-scale machine, shows only very low stresses during surge, proving the extreme surge robustness of AR MAX1. The very extensive test series was concluded on September 17th with the shop verification test. In total, 24 intensive measurement days have been completed very successfully. The performance of AR MAX1 is significantly better than expected, and the high expectations regarding robustness have been fully confirmed. In total, 155 surges have been measured, all with very low stresses in the rotor blades. AR MAX1 is uniquely robust. It is much more surge robust than any other main air compressor in the market.